Hello, friends. Welcome to Everyday AI by Blitz Consulting. I'm Rahul, founder and managing partner, Blitz Consulting. If you feel AI is moving too fast and that you're already behind and finding it difficult to catch up, this channel exists to exactly prove the opposite. What is common between AI and Blitz is the alignment on the fundamental principle that AI is not here to replace people. Actually, AI is here to empower people, and that is what we truly believe at Blitz. What we see, however, especially in the online world, is a lot of exaggeration of fear of AI and a lot of hype around AI, just sort of two poles of the spectrum. The reality is neither. Some questions you need to ask yourself as you watch me. Do you feel left out of the AI conversation? Do you feel intimidated looking at the countless messages, the posts that every day are coming on AI, every single moment of every single day? Do you feel confused tracking different RSS feeds on AI newsletters, AI podcasts, AI news, AI developments? No longer, friends. That is why Blitz exists. We believe in simplifying AI and zero hype. Now, let me unpack this a little for you. So, you don't really need to be a high tech coder, developer, data scientist to benefit from AI. Surely you have advantages if you're one of them. You are heads up. However, what you actually need to benefit from AI is clarity, confidence building, and the right guidance. At Blitz, there is one thing that we are seeing repeatedly. No matter what the size of your organization or workplace is, be it small, medium, or large, people are not struggling with tools. People are struggling with a roadmap. People do not lack intelligence, they lack a direction. And this is our way to democratize and bring you that roadmap and that direction. So, no jargon, no hype, no overwhelm, pure usable insight. So that you can take better decisions by working smarter and thinking faster. If you stay with this series, friends, you will build three things over time as a matter of habit and consistency. One, you will build clarity of where and how AI is going. Two, you will build confidence on how to use and implement AI, especially in your day to day workflows. And three, no matter how fast the AI world moves, you will know how to stay relevant. So, your journey starts now. Welcome to Everyday AI. Zero hype, AI simplified, 100% impact. Thank you.